everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get free 1 GB data plus 50 MB data without doing much, okay, by just downloading one simple app. Okay, you just use the app and then you get this free data. Okay, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So in case you are new to this channel, make sure to turn on your post notification after subscribing. Okay, share this video to your friends, and then in case you want to see more of these videos, just go to our playlist and then find our playlist on our technology hacks. That's where you'll find all these kind of videos. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. So most of the time, most people run the USDD code in purchasing bundle, and they end up not getting any bonuses. Okay, but with this approach, you get extra bonuses with what? That's after buying or purchasing a bundle, especially MTN users. Okay, so let's dive right into that. So we know that for purchasing bundle on MTN, you usually dial *138, and then we use this code, right? But for this video, we won't be using this code. Okay, we won't be running the USDD code. So from here, you can notice that it states that welcome to the bundle portal. Select an option. So for option 1, you can notice that when we proceed to buy the bundle, we do not have we do not get any 4G bonus. Okay, but when we use the My MTN app, we usually get the 4G bonus. Okay, so let's look at something right here. So you could notice that we have free 1 GB data, and at the same time we also have 50 MB free data. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get this data for free. Okay, so first you get the 1 GB data for 7 days plus 50% 4G bonuses when you pay. That's when you pay with your MOMO. Okay, and then you have the 50 MB data free data. That's for 3 days. Okay, so let's see how we do this. Okay, so without wasting much time, first you don't need to use or run the USD code. All you have to do is just download this app. Okay, download the My MTN app. So after downloading the MTN app, as soon as you log in or as soon as you open the app, your details will be automatically updated on the app. Okay, that's your name, the number you used for signing up on or registering your MTN number. Okay, everything will be just updated. All you have to do is just go to this option. Okay, so you have the My Home is where you find your current bundle, talk time bundle, and all that. Okay, but when you click on the buy or send option, that's where you'll be brought to this page. Okay, so here you'll be able to buy airtime. That's where you are paying with MOMO on the MTN app. Okay, you could buy data, you could run the IDD bundles, MTN Pulse, social media bundles, and then others. Okay, and we also have just for you. So our main target is to buy the bundle. Okay, so the main issue over here is that when you run the USSD code using the *138 hash, you won't get the free 1 GB data plus the 50 MB data with other add-ons. Okay, but when you use the MTN app, you get these free bundles. Okay, in addition to the ones you already purchased. Okay, that's why I initially showed you this screenshot. Okay, so you get the free 1 GB data. So the free 1 GB data is for your first purchase. Okay, and then any subsequent purchases you get the 50 MB data. Okay, free data. So that will last for 3 days. Okay, but for the 1 GB data, you get it on your first purchase using the MTN mobile app and then the MTN app. Okay, so that's all for this video. Again, you get the free gigabyte data on your first purchase. Okay, and then for subsequent purchases you get the 50 MB free data. You just buy your bundle. Okay, you click on the data bundle. So you click on it and then you purchase your bundle. Okay, the steps are just simple. Okay, very, very simple, just like buying normal data by running a USSD code. Okay, right. So in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos, because I'm about to upload a video on how to convert an already bought data bundle or in case someone sent you airtime, okay, how to convert that airtime into money, okay, so that you can withdraw with what, or via your MOMO account, okay, irrespective of the network you are using, okay, either MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, okay, Airtel. So make sure to stick with me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.